This is the first video for the playground design project for the grade 8 for the assemblies. So we've created all our parts previously, and now we're going to put these parts together to look like this image. You're going to notice that I have my playground design folder. I'm going to open that up and all of my parts are in here. Just a little word of advice before you go any further: if you wish to color your parts, please do so prior in their original formats, so they'll be easier to do than trying to color after the fact. So the first thing I'm going to do in this is I'm going to create a bunch of sub-assemblies. So I'm not going to assemble everything in one assembly file. I'm going to create some sub-assemblies. So I'm going to click on my main platform. I'm going to open that part that we created. And I'm going to go to the bottom here to my assembly file for it. So I've clicked on the assembly. Now I'm going to click Insert, that main platform. Green check mark. Now what I'm going to do is I want my main polls. So I'm going to come to Insert, Other Documents. The documents I want are under my Onshape. I'm going to go into that Playground Design folder. I'm going to scroll down until I find that main poll. I'm then going to insert 4 of these polls. Now you may get a message that you need to create a version of this main poll for this part. I'll go ahead and create a version if need be. So I'm going to bring in 4. I'm going to close out my menu, and we can see those 4 polls. Now the easiest way to do this is with a fasten mate. I'm going to join the top center of my circle to the top center of my platform. Green check mark to fasten it. And again, the top center of that circle to the top center circle here. Fastening it. Top center to the top center. Solving. And then on my last one, I'm going to do the same thing, fastening that top circle to the top circle here and fastening. So what I've done now is I've created my first sub-assembly. So this will be ready to be brought in once I put together some of my other sub-assemblies into a file so we can put them all together.